KCR is the perfect tool for mindfulness practitioners and instructors for gently restoring physical balance. When your clients complain of physical pain and discomfort, with KCR you'll be able to quickly restore their bodies to balance. Anxiety and worry create a level of separation from your body and well-being. KCR changes your relationship with your body. KCR bypasses your fight, flight or freeze centers and reconnects you with a deep sense of inner peace. KCR is widely used by physiotherapists and sports and fitness coaches and is a simple, easy to learn and use technique that will quickly expand your effectiveness as a teacher or therapist. KCR is a wonderful bodywork foundation course that quickly and easily transforms the service that you offer your clients. So, if you want to discover how you can upgrade your skills and quickly transform your professional service, book a KCR course today.